This is a Soul treadmill, and you can hear a squeaky sound in there. And I'm gonna show you what the reason why. Just gonna clean the drive motor. That drive motor belt making noise. What I'm gonna do is just I have a steel brush here. Just grab this one while that's the only problem. And clean also the pulley. Drive motor pulley also. And that's right. You can see there's no more squeaking anymore. So quiet.